cool. The Big Shrimp. These are shrimp crackers. This is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! All right. Oh, I'm so excited to try this one, aren't you?
Yeah.
But first, you're watching Casual Girl Adventures, and I'm Corey, and this is my partner, Chad. You're so silly, you good little one. But anyway, these are shrimp crackers. Oh, almost forgot. We're doing something new. We're going to start having a star rating.
Yeah.
Number 1 star is and 5 star. Yay! Go out and get them. Must buy them. They're delicious. So anyway, that's what we're going to start doing. And if you guys do get these, you can comment below what your rating was on them. Or just comment if you think you're going to try them or whatever, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, ooh, they smell good.
Yeah. And the thing is that they're non-fried.
Yeah, non-fried, you guys. That's what they come like. They look like this.
It kind of smells roasted, almost.
Yeah. Yummy. This is what they look like inside the bag. I have poured out some already. That's why the bag is open. But that's what they look like inside the bag. They look like outside the bag. What do they look like to you, Chad?
Fries. Wrinkly fries.
The crinkle fries with spicy seasoning on them. They look just like that. A little bit smaller, though, and not quite as fat.
Yeah.
And I think they're baked. Oh, yeah, you said they're...
Oh, yeah. Like roasted? I thought... Oh, yeah, baked. Yeah, baked.
Yeah, non-fried. They're non-fried, so they're healthy snack, you guys. You ready, Chad? You want to try it?
Cheers! Cheers! Whoa! Interesting.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Wow. That is actually really good. This has my opinion, that is delicious. A slight shrimp flavor. A slight spicy flavor. Nice, beautiful crunch.
Yeah.
Do not taste greasy because they're non-fried. I believe they're baked, obviously. That would probably be the other way that they are. Oh, it does say baked?
Yeah, baked.
Oh, baked. Ooh, yummy. So they're healthy. It would be a good healthy snack.
Yeah.
What is your take on them?
It's like the spiciness is perfect. It's like less than Taki, but a little bit more than what we've had. Like the seaweed one, that was just a little bit spicy. But this is just perfect. I like it.
Yeah, they're not as spicy as the Taki ones. I've had those too. You know, these are really good. My star rating on this, I'm gonna go 4.5.
Yeah.
I recommend these. These are great. Nice, good snack to have, and they're healthy. I like that.
I say it's a perfect 5.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. They are good, you guys. I'm was kind of edging towards the 5, but I'll stick with my 4.5.
Okay.
They're good.
That's fair.
They smell so delicious. When you open it, it was like a nice whiff of nice chili smell.
Yeah.
Not like a spicy, tear come to your eyes kind of smell.
Yeah.
But anyway, well, that's it for our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo!
They're really delicious.
Daisy! Oh, I've been missing. Anyway, all right, you guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you'll go out and give them a try. No, Daisy. Oh, yummy, huh? Hope you'll go out and give them a try. And by the way, don't forget, if you're watching this and you're enjoying it, just hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, what are you doing? Hit it.
Hit it. Give us a subscribe so we can keep doing these. You guys, I know you're there watching. This is such a cute box. I love the little shrimp box. Comes out like a shrimp. It's so cute. But anyway, subscribe, you guys. Like and share. I want to get these new foods that we've been trying for you guys out and about, so people can try them, and so you guys can have good different snacks to try. All right. Well, anyway, until next Wednesday, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yay. Kids, man, I'm telling you.
I don't know.
Gotta love them. Daisy.
Nom nom nom.